Right, today I'm doing a job that I've been putting off for ages. I'm going to be putting the exhaust and the inlet across underneath of the van for the water heater, which I put the water heater in weeks ago, but I've just been putting this off. Yeah, it's pretty cool the way it works though. This is the exhaust and this is the air intake, and the exhaust just goes through the centre of the intake, and then you just put them across. So I've got to put them right to the other side of the van because obviously there's an awning on this side, and I mean you'd probably get away with it, but I might as well do it right. Here's the water heater under here. This is the exhaust and inlet. But then we've got a big spare tyre in the way, and of course the water tank. But maybe I'll be able to get above the wheel and get the pipes right across to the other side. So this is the direction we've ended up going with the pipe. So I wasn't sure how hot this gets, but with it being the exhaust and the air intake, I'm assuming it doesn't get too hot, and the air coming past over the outside of the exhaust should cool it enough. It's either there or on top of the tyre down there. The only other way it would have gone right across is to go that way, but it ended up being too short, and then there was problems here going through these drop links and everything like that. You can see better from this side, or it goes all along there. I had a little, well, I was a little bit concerned about it touching the water tank, but I'm 99% sure it'll be fine. I had to put a block of wood there, which is screwed on, and famous Sikaflex, my favourite. Half this van is held together with this stuff. And there's the exhaust and the inlet. Now I just need to hook the gas up. And today I'm on the gas. I've not been looking forward to doing this, because if it was just the oven, easy enough, just the good old orange hose and you're hooked up. But because we've got the water heater all the way at the back of the van, outside underneath the van, I've got to use copper pipe, which actually now I've looked into it is not as big as a task as I thought it'd be, but it's still going to be a little bit awkward in places, just to make sure that it's safe as gas can get. I'm going to be bringing the copper pipe through from under the kitchen, under the sink there, through, I'm thinking probably along the wall here. So I've tested some clips out, and then down like this, and through the floor. The problem with that is going through the floor. I need to protect it somehow. Some rubber grommet or something easy enough. But this storage here is where my bike's going to be. Actually, where the pipe is going to be on the side there, the pedal's likely to hit. And I've been testing this, actually, just giving it a bit of a whack with some metal things and seeing how strong it is, and it's definitely not strong enough to have a pedal rubbing against it. So the solution, I think, is to use this trunking talon, whatever it is they call it, to have the pipe inside and protect it with that. But then I did read that you shouldn't, that's fine if it's like for water, but you shouldn't do that if it's gas, because if you do have a leak, then it's going to contain the gas inside the talon, and obviously that's not very good. So I'm still going to do it anyway, and just drill some holes in this, just so if there is a leak, then it can leak out. Lovely day again. We're leaving on Tuesday. It's now Sunday, sometime in the afternoon, and it's going to be tight.
Like a tiger.
I'll show you what's left. It's all getting a bit stressy. So we've got the floor and everything to put in there. Finish off the roof, cab roof. These cupboards are all pretty much done. We just need to sort out some of the door handles. There's the upholstery for the seats, worktop and everything. All the kitchen's mainly in. Just putting the sink in now. The electrics are all mainly in, just little bits to do. Sort this fridge out. That needs putting in place properly and wiring up. Obviously the bed, but that's just a quick job. There's some slats. Yeah, the wiring just needs tidying up and a few little switches putting on here. It's all working. Running on solar at the moment. It's all fully charged, so it's not really putting much into it. So I do need to secure the battery down there properly. Just doing this tap now. Did the gas yesterday. First time I've done any gas work, but it seems to be fine. I've done a little leak check this morning on that copper T-piece and all the joints, and it's fine. And the hob works, which is even better. Now I just need to test the water heater, but I haven't finished all the water yet. So for instance, this bit here, this is the external shower point. Some tidying up to do on that bit, and then just finish off the cover for the gas pipe here, and then that's the water heater, which we'll be able to test as soon as the water's done. So getting there, very close. We're leaving tomorrow, and this is the shower basin. So all the silicon's gone minging kind of colour. I don't know why. And there's some cracks, so I've put these unnecessary bolts in. So I'm going to undo them, take it off and redo it. It's tight. Measuring and cutting the new shower panels. And this is it PVC? It's PVC. Not the Perspex stuff we're using before, which to be honest I don't know the difference, but this is a lot nicer to cut. It's not so brittle. It's not melting back together after I've cut it as well. A lot nicer to work with. So if you're going to do any waterproof panel sort of stuff, then the best thing to get PVC. Say hello to the pieces for the last drawer I'm making. Yes. No more drawers.
Significant other. 58% of those polls said yes, the rest. Now let's have a look. Who's your favourite superhero? She's up there. Captain America. Wonder Woman comes in at number 8. Good reviews of it. No, there was a lot of fun as well. Nephilim and Dr. Joseph Chibet.
To pack. Have you seen this giant Jenga gone missing? So we finally set off.
Can't see your face.
It's 4 o'clock in the morning on Friday. Saturday. And we were meant to set off on Tuesday. It's been hectic and it took ages to pack the van and we couldn't really fit everything in it, so I think we're going to have to thin out our stuff when we get a chance. Get rid of a load of things. But yeah, excited, we're on our way, finally. of France yesterday, and then today we are how far through Spain?
About halfway now. We're not even halfway yet, so.
Butterfly through in the window. Tried to save him. Dad. Basically, it's just been loads of driving. But it's been nice just to pull over and make lunch on the side of the road. Not have to go and pay extortionate prices for sandwiches and stuff. I've got different flavoured Red Bull here, which I was thinking they should do the other day. I don't know. I'll show you on here. So it's 5:30 now. I'm going to just keep driving until I'm too tired. See how far we get. But we'll be at the destination finale tomorrow before midday, I reckon, hopefully, probably, maybe. Which is Soto Grande.
It's okay.
All on me, Gary. All on me. That's it. Closer, closer. Oh, Gary. So at the moment we have a bit of a problem with space. A lot more stuff than we thought we had. So I tried to go kite surfing the other day, and it was an absolute nightmare getting everything out and getting it back in. So today's task: declutter, organise, and probably get rid of a lot of stuff. I mean, books can all go onto a phone, you know. So
Hours.
how many hours are we doing it?
4.
4 hours later, and we're getting there. Loads of room, but loads of stuff to go in still. But that pile there is all the stuff we got rid of. Then we got the inside. Ta-da! Everything's in, and there's space to even have a little lie down if you wanna. But I'm not gonna. And loads of everything's got rid of. Like an iron, you do not need an iron or a helmet. You probably should wear a helmet. We're in Spain. We've got to the actual destination, but there's still got little bits to do. So cutting the ends of screws off still. Thanks for watching. All links to products, materials, everything else that I've used will be in the description, along with some other little handy links. And then at the end of this really cool little outro thing, there's some info on the ebook. Cheers guys.